Hello everyone, welcome back to Herbie's Garage. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an experiment. We're going to be looking at the correlation between a valve adjustment and the compression. I'm going to be focusing mainly on the intake so you can see the difference between zero lash and the proper lash and the effect it has on the compression. You know, the compression is a really important part of the engine. If you have low compression, you have hard starting, you might have spark knock, you have incomplete combustion, your economy is going to be down. Worst of all, you're going to have decreased, that's right, power, and we don't want that. So we're going to start this experiment. I have my compression gauge hooked up. And I'm going to turn the key on. I have a battery tender on the battery to keep the juice up. Open the throttle wide open, and I'm going to crank it until it stops building PSI. Okay, that's it. You can see the number right there. Looks like about 140 PSI. That's 140 PSI with zero lash. So now I'm going to take a second, I'm going to readjust it, and I'm going to put it to the proper setting, the owner's manual specifications, and then we'll recheck the compression, see what it is in. Okay, I've got the valve lash set on the intake valve to the owner's manual specification at 0.08 millimeter. And now we're going to see what effect that has on the compression. Turn the key on, open the throttle wide open. I'm going to crank it until it stops building pressure. Wow, what a difference. I've got 192 pounds of pressure, PSI. That's, I think it was like 140 something on the first one. So we gained a lot of PSI off of that small adjustment. I went from zero lash to 0.08 millimeter, which is in essence 3/1000ths, whichever you want to go by. So that little bit made a big difference in the compression on this engine, and it's going to make a big difference in the way that it runs as well. So don't neglect your valve adjustments. It's very important. It makes a big difference. You need to do it on the exhaust side and the intake side. Do it at the proper intervals and make sure that it's done right. Your bike will run great. So, okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.